Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, we have a foodie grocery haul from Walmart. So let's get started. This one's a little bit bigger than I normally get. Let's start on this end. All right, so I needed some paper towels. Oh, and let me tell you, I'm sorry. So this is part of a collaboration called the Foodie Grocery Haul. And this is being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have Jean Home Decor and more, Decorating with Jazzy Green, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, Debbie Bubbles, and I hope I didn't forget anyone, but if I did, I will link them below. So this is held the first and the third Monday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so I needed some paper towels, and this is the one I get. They're actually pretty good. The ultra strong paper towels, just a double roll. Okay, and then I also needed some bathroom tissue. So they do have Scott, and it's a pretty decent price for Scott there. Nothing is in any kind of rhyme or reason order. So let's see. Let's start back here. So I got some onions because I was running out. Then I also got this hand wash, the soft soap in that gingerbread. I like that, so I got one of those for the bathroom. And we like graham crackers, the honey ones. We like the cinnamon ones, but we like the honey ones because we usually put some peanut butter or almond butter on it. I grabbed one of these beef stew meats because I'm gonna make something for quick and easy meals. I grabbed these wipes. I always have these in the bathroom. So I'm gonna put that over here. That has to be put away. Grab some ivory soap. Okay. And let's see. So I got another can of the fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chilies. I kind of like this flavor. Now this is an item I absolutely love, guys. A lot of protein, 30 grams of protein. 1 sugar. You cannot beat that at all. I usually put this in my coffee. I love it. It is expensive, so I have to wait for that to go on sale. Then I got a small of the Arm & Hammer Powerfully Clean, Vibrantly Fresh. I don't think I ever saw that before. This must be new. It doesn't say new, but I never heard of that one. But I got one of those. Then I got the classic roast decaf coffee. I like that, guys. Tastes like regular coffee. Oh, I did get 2 cans of the fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm really liking that. All right, so I got 2 of the heavy cream. We never want to run out of heavy cream. I have 2 more in the fridge. That makes 4. Okay, so I got some chocolate chip cookies. Great value. I got to fill up my jar. And then we also got Great Value has these peanut butter cookies. They're like the huge version of the Nutter Butters, and we absolutely love those. Then this is just really quick. I really like these fish fillets. If I have to make a quick sandwich or something, I just go ahead and cook these. And yep, I don't know how many come in here. It just says 1 pound, 3 ounces, but they are pretty good. Then, let's see, where am I gonna put this? Okay, all right. Then I got another bag of the tilapia. We've been eating a lot of fish lately, and there is the Great Value tater tots, a 2-pound bag. So I got one of those. Okay, so we always have to have cheese and not run out. So I got another big bag of the sharp cheddar cheese. And I did grab 2 of the stuffing, the chicken stuffing, flavored stuffing mix. I got 2 boxes of those. Then here I got 4 boxes of the mac and cheese original. Okay, these are just good, quick side dishes. Then I got my organic stevia, which is the Pure brand. I absolutely love that. And then I couldn't get this last time I was there. So of course today I was looking for the cauliflower rice and they were out of it. But at least they had the broccoli florets and I grabbed 3 of those. So I'm trying to make something and I can't seem to get that cauli rice. All right, so this is the Italian bread. Now, I also noticed today that not only was this $1, but it's $1.47, but it's much smaller. It's much smaller than normal. I don't know. I just noticed that today. Okay, so I got 2 Italian breads that goes in the freezer. We got 1 of the macaroni salad Amish style. This is absolutely delicious. I love that touch of sweet. The coleslaw, this is the tricolor coleslaw. Got 1 of those. The Mission's 0 carb. So I always get that. And then here is the keto-friendly bread by Better Goods. So I always get the white, and this it's really not that big. And then I always get this as backup, guys. Oops, I just dropped the spoon. Okay, I always get the white sandwich bread from Walmart. And let me pick this up. Okay. All right, so yeah, I always get that white sandwich bread just in case, to keep everything in the freezer, guys, and as I need it I just pull it out. So this is my haul. I paid I want to say about $161, $62 for this, but I also got the dog food, which I have not shown, and I also got some toiletries that I didn't show, except for these few items over here. But this is my haul. I spent like $162, and yep, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.